summer vacation is all next week.
Wow.
And it's summer stuffed.
I'm full for once!
With new Patrick Star Show and new SpongeBob SquarePants.
It burns!
Birding for more new...
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for north central Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southwestern DeSoto County in south central Florida, east central Sarasota County in west central Florida until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe indicated rotation impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Southwestern Florida homes will be damaged or destroyed. South central damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Until tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Northport, Gorda, Fort including Solana, Harbor Heights, Charlotte Park, Cleveland, Fort Ogden, Charlotte Harbor. Cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. And if possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. Dangerous storm will keep you outdoors from 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Charlotte, and DeSoto. Charlotte Harbor. Cover now.
I just think everyone should know there's an insurance company out there exposing other companies' rates.